Cryptocurrencies are a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Unlike traditional currencies, such as the dollar or the euro, cryptocurrencies are not dependent on a central bank or government entity. They are decentralized and operate on a global network of computers, meaning they are not regulated or controlled by any government or financial institution. The first cryptocurrency to emerge was Bitcoin, created in 2009 by a person or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin introduced a new way of viewing money based on a technology called blockchain, which is the heart of cryptocurrencies. The blockchain is a public and decentralized ledger that records all transactions made with a specific cryptocurrency. Each transaction is grouped into a block, and once validated, it is permanently added to the chain. This technology ensures the transparency and security of transactions, as it is nearly impossible to alter or falsify the recorded information. 1. Of the main features of cryptocurrencies is the security they provide. Transactions are protected through cryptography, making it extremely difficult for them to be hacked or manipulated. Additionally, every person using cryptocurrencies has a unique private key, which acts like a password that allows them to access their funds and carry out transactions securely. Another important aspect is decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies, which depend on banks and governments, cryptocurrencies operate on a network of distributed computers worldwide. This means there is no central authority controlling the money, reducing the risk of manipulation or governmental intervention. In addition to Bitcoin, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, and many more. Each one has specific features and uses, and some offer advantages over others, such as faster transaction times or greater privacy. Some cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum, also allow for the creation of decentralized applications, further expanding the potential of this technology. Regarding their value, cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile. The price of a cryptocurrency can fluctuate rapidly due to factors such as supply and demand, adoption by companies or governments, and changes in regulations. While some people view them as a long-term investment, others see them as a way to make fast and inexpensive global payments. Despite the risks associated with volatility and concerns over their use in illicit activities, cryptocurrencies have gained popularity and acceptance in many sectors. Some large companies now accept cryptocurrencies as a form of payment, and some see them as the future of money. In summary, cryptocurrencies are a form of digital money that uses advanced technology to offer secure, transparent, and decentralized transactions. With their growing adoption, cryptocurrencies are starting to change the way people think about money and finance.